Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your sketches more realistic. To begin, grasp fundamental drawing principles such as perspective and proportion. Vary your line weights to create depth and visual interest, making objects appear closer or further away. Always observe light and shadow accurately, understanding how they define form. Practice drawing basic three-dimensional shapes like cubes and spheres to build a strong foundation. Mastering light and shadow is crucial for realism. First, identify your light source to correctly determine shadow direction and intensity. Apply a full range of tonal values, from the brightest highlights to the deepest blacks, to give your subject volume. Accurately render both cast shadows and form shadows to define the object's shape. Employ blending techniques to achieve smooth, gradual transitions between these tones. Adding texture and fine details significantly boosts realism. Carefully observe and replicate the unique textures of various surfaces, whether it is rough wood or smooth glass. Incorporate subtle details, like tiny cracks or fabric weaves, to enhance visual complexity and believability. Vary your pencil strokes to mimic different qualities, such as a rough stone or a reflective metal. Small imperfections often add authentic character. For advanced realism, consider atmospheric perspective, making distant objects appear lighter and less detailed. Refine your edges, ensuring some are sharp for focal points while others are softer to recede. Consistent practice with diverse subjects, from still life to portraits, is essential for skill improvement. Finally, study the techniques of master artists for inspiration and guidance, learning from their approaches to realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.